Fix 1. Power cycle your Xbox. 1. Hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. 2. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds. 3. Plug it back in and turn on the console. 4. Launch Grounded 2 again. Open quote. This clears system cache and temporary bugs. Close quote. Fix 2. Clear local saved games, corrupt data. 1. Go to Settings, System, Storage. 2. Select Clear Local Saved Games. 3. Restart your console and try running Grounded 2. Open quote. Don't worry, cloud saves will restore your progress. Close quote. At Fix 3, change video output settings. 1. Go to Settings, General, TV and Display Options. 2. Set resolution to 1080p temporarily. 3. Turn off Allow 4K and Allow HDR10. 4. Reboot your console and run the game. Open quote. This helps if Grounded 2 crashes due to video scaling or resolution mismatch. Close quote. Fix 4. Reinstall Grounded 2. 1. Press the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, see all. 2. Find Grounded 2, press Menu, uninstall. 3. Then reinstall from the Microsoft Store or Game Pass library. 4. After install, reboot and launch the game. Open quote. A clean install removes broken or missing files. Close quote. And Fix 5. Update system firmware. 1. Go to Settings, System, Updates. 2. Select Console Update available if shown. 3. Install it and restart your Xbox. Open quote. System updates can fix OS level crashes or compatibility bugs. Close quote. Now Fix 6. Launch offline if game won't load online. 1. Disconnect your console from the internet. Settings, network, go offline. 2. Launch Grounded 2 offline. 3. If it works, reconnect and try again. Open quote. Helps bypass online sync or server-related crash bugs. Close quote. How to Fix 7. Check for game update 1. Go to My Games and Apps, manage updates. 2. See if Grounded 2 has a pending update. 3. Install the update and restart. Let me know if you're on Xbox One or Xbox Series XS specifically. I can tailor additional fixes for your console model.